you constantly overpacking? Here are 3 must-have products for you to wear this summer. Meet our Summer Essentials treat bag. It's everything you need, already packed and ready for wherever the summer takes you. It includes 6 full-size products worth £56.80 and now £26.95. This Summer Essentials treat bag includes our free travel makeup bag, the Tres Chic Compact, Haute Couture, Chocolate Everyday Map, Clear and Busy Lash Glue, and our mini lash applicator. We're loving brown lashes this summer. Our Chocolate Everyday Lash Map is perfect for a naturally enhanced look. Created in a warm brown tone to flatter lighter complexions, or for lash wearers who feel black may be too harsh. This style adds subtle length and fullness for a soft, seamless look. These pre-glued lashes are water resistant, meaning that you can take them straight to the pool or head to the beach. Next up, I'm trying our Haute Couture cluster lashes. I'm using the lengths 12, 2 14s and 110. Our Haute Couture individual lashes are perfect for creating a wispy volume lash look at home. It's our go-to style for medium glam with a soft, wispy finish. Step 1 of applying our cluster lashes is applying the bond to the root of your natural lash. Step 2, place the cluster 2mm away from your waterline onto your natural lash. Repeat the following steps until you have complete your full lash set. Then go in with our seal to lock your lashes into place for up to a week. This set also includes our best-selling Tres Chic cluster lashes. They blend seamlessly into the lash line, adding natural length and definition without looking detectable. Tres Chic is perfect for everything, from beach days to golden hour drinks. They're the effortless finishing touch to all your summer plans. And those are my 3 top fave styles to wear this summer, and don't forget they come all packed in one Summer Essentials treat bag so you can take it anywhere and everywhere. Make sure you shop now at tattilashes.com and don't forget to subscribe.